They say this is a big rich town. I just come from the poet's part. Bright light, city life, I gotta make it, this is where it goes down. I just happen to come up hard. Legal or illegal, baby, I gotta make it.
What's good, YouTube, and welcome back for another video. In today's video, I wanted to kind of go over some trading psychology and also a trading update for you guys. In your trading journey, you're going to be going through losing season, and you're going to be going through winning season, and you're going to be going through break-even season. And so currently I find myself in a winning season, right? So when I'm in this winning season, it's really important to maintain a level mind, maintain my composure, don't get too big-headed. And it's really hard to fight all of those emotions because it feels like you can't miss. When you're in a winning season, it just feels like you're unstoppable. You're just turning strong to gold because everything you're doing, you're winning, you're making money. And to a human, to like a regular person, to an average Joe, bro, that is dangerous work right there. It's so dangerous because in this industry, all it takes is one day. It takes one day for you to lose everything that you just built. You could spend days, weeks, months, even years working a P&L, and it could be a nice, beautiful number, and you could lose all of that from one bad day, from just you being off that one day. You could erase it all in a heartbeat. I know, I've been there. So with that being said, this is not my first time being in a winning season. I am in a much better place with my trading to handle a lot of the success that I'm experiencing right now. Just to give you guys an idea of what I mean a winning season, in the last 15 trades that I placed, I've had one break-even trade, and the last 14 are all winners. I only trade one setup a day, and after that setup, whether it's a win or a loss, I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. I haven't lost a single setup all of April. Nothing. Everything's been hit, and it's good, it's cool, but I know that tomorrow could be a loser or the next day could be a loser. It's not like I'm feeling myself too much. I've been here before, and it's kind of like, all right, just keep my risk management in order and I'll be good. Treat every day like it's a regular day. But in this winning season, I have been able to hit the next milestone, which was I am officially funded $1.3 million. Man, that's crazy. It's just so crazy to think about, because when I first learned about prop firms and I first learned about funding and the power that they really have and how they can really change your life, I didn't see too far in the future and like how I would really leverage a prop firm like I'm leveraging prop firms now. I was too busy just trying to pass one account, let alone not have over 13 live funded accounts underneath my belt, and I'm working them all. And now I have the capability of pulling in over $40,000 every 2 weeks. It's really crazy, but it's a blessing. I worked hard to get here, and the work's not done, job's not done. We got a lot more work to do, and but it's truly a blessing, and I'm happy to share this with you guys because it took a long time for me to get here, but now that I'm here, we about to run it up. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys took some inspiration from this video, and I hope this does inspire somebody out there who maybe you just bought your first funded account, or maybe you just blew your first funded account, or maybe you don't even know what a funded account is, and maybe this will lead you to go find out what it is, a funded account, and maybe get yourself one and get your journey started, and maybe you'll be here same place that I am in a year from now, who knows. But yeah, man, lots of exciting things coming in the future for sure, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, also follow me on Instagram. I post all of the trade setups that I take on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, Bring Profits, somewhere on the screen, you could stay on the end and know whenever I place a trade or anything like that. All right, guys.